First, you need your PS5 console. Your desired M2 SSD PCIe Gen 4. Mine, I prefer Silicon Power 4TB. And your Phillips screwdriver. Just a friendly reminder, take breaks and prioritize family time over long gaming sessions. Now we need to open the bottom part of the console. Next, we need to remove the screws to take off the M2 SSD slot cover. If your screwdriver is being stubborn, feel free to launch it across the room and grab a better one. No judgment here. Okay, then unscrew this one with the threaded shim that we'll be using later. Our SSD is an 80mm drive, so we'll use the 80mm with the shim thread to secure our M2 SSD. Now, let's insert our M2 SSD into the M2 slot. And then, grab the screw and secure the SSD by threading it into the shim. Let's put the M2 slot expansion cover back in place and screw it down. Finally, reattach the console cover. Okay, let's power this thing up and you should see a notification asking to format the M2 SSD. Once it appears, select Format. will be shown the read speeds of your installed M2 SSD. Just click OK to continue. Congratulations! Your M2 SSD has been successfully installed, formatted, and is ready to use. This tutorial applies to both retail and jailbroken PS5 consoles. As of the September 2023 version 8.00 update, retail PS5 consoles support up to 8TB M2 SSDs. For jailbroken PS5s, the limit is 4TB, but you'll need system software version 4.00 or higher for the drive to be recognized. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider following me, leaving a like, sharing, or subscribing for more content like this. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care!